Hi, in front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down just a bit to access sounds and vibration. Then you can click on vibration at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. In order to disable it, click on sound or silent. Then tap on phone ringtone, misclick, over here, and click on vibration section for SIM 2 and SIM 1. Now apply the best vibration pattern for you by clicking on the chosen one, or disable it completely by hitting None. Go back, select Notification Tone, click on Vibration at the top, and select one of those patterns, this time for your notifications. You can also disable it by choosing None. Go back, scroll all the way down and hit More Settings at the very bottom. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations, and also on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!